There are 9 commands built right into Windows that can fix almost any software error, crash, or network glitch on their own. Today we are walking through every single one. First, every commands we are using need administrator access. So you need to go to your Windows search bar, type CMD, right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. So when you run it as an administrator, it will prompt you. Click yes on the pop-up. Keep this Windows open. We are running everything from here. So command number 1 is the Winget upgrade all. Winget is Microsoft built-in package manager. This single line hunts down every install app on your machine, browser, drivers, tools, and updates them all in one shot. Outdated apps fighting with each other cause a massive chunk of PC issue. Do this once a month and your PC will thank you. Command 2 is the SFC Scannow. This is the system file checker. It sweeps through every protected Windows file, compares it to clean reference copy, and automatically replace anything corrupted. Once it finishes, restart your PC. If it says it found error it couldn't fix, don't panic. That's what the next command is for. It will take around couple of 10 to 15 minutes time for the verification process to complete it. Now the third command there is DISM. If SFV failed, it's usually because its backup files are also corrupted. DISM fixes that by reaching out directly to Microsoft server to pull down fresh verified system component. Type this exactly as it looks on the screen. You need to internet for this and it can take 15 minutes. Once done, restart and run SFC Scannow one more time for a perfect fix. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes for this process to get completed and you need to restart your PC. So it will show you around 100%. Fourth command is chkdsk /r for check disk. This scan your storage drive for file system error and physically bad sectors, salvaging readable data because your drive is currently running Windows. It will ask you to schedule the scan for your next restart. Type yes and you need to restart your PC. The fifth command is the ultimate fix for internet weirdness. If sites aren't loading but your Wi-Fi says connected, run these 3 commands in order. ipconfig flash DNS to clear your broken web. ipconfig release. This will drop your current connection. Once you hit enter, it will shows you here that it has been released successfully. Third one is ipconfig renew to grab fresh IP address from your router. It works instantly. Hit enter. It will grab the fresh IP address. Now the sixth command is total network reset you need to do. If your network is still broken, command 6 goes deeper into the Windows network stack. Run this 3 netsh command to reset your Winsock catalog and TCP/IP settings back to factory defaults. This fixes stubborn connection drop that survive router reboot. You must restart your PC after this one. Type it exactly what I have typed it here. Type it netsh int IP reset. Type it netsh int TCP reset. These 3 commands will reset the default router reboots. seventh command checks if your SSD or hard drive is about to die. You can actually run PowerShell tricks right inside CMD. Copy and paste this exact line in a few seconds. You will get a clean table. If your health status says anything other than healthy, back up your data immediately. Your drive is failing. You can see the message has been successfully written. The eighth command is the Tasklist. Command 8 is for when your PC is lagging and you don't know why. Type Tasklist to see every background process running and its PID number. If an app is frozen or hogging resources, type taskkill and /PID followed by that number and add /F to force it closed instantly. So this command will followed by that number of the PID and add / to force is closed instantly. The ninth command is the gold for laptop owners. Type power cfg /energy. Windows will monitor your system for 60 seconds. It will then generate an HTML report file. Copy the file path it gives you, paste into your web browser and look through the breakdown of everything draining your battery or preventing your PC from sleeping. You can see here the report has been generated successfully and it's showing the details reports why it's draining your battery or preventing your PC from sleeping. Finally, here is a bonus tool built into Windows that almost nobody knows about. Search or run mdsched. This opens the Windows memory diagnostic. Bad RAM cause, blue screens, random crashes. Click restart now and Windows will thoroughly test your hard drive memory sticks before booting up to see if they need replacing. This is the final bonus command. You need to run it in order to check the diagnostics. It will ask you to restart now and check for problem or check for problem the next time I start my computer. This is the ultimate Windows repair kit. Drop a comment letting me know which command save your PC the most headache. Hit that subscribe button for more tech guides and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.